Getting started, why track your meditation progress?
Tracking your meditation progress helps build motivation and consistency. By seeing your streaks, time invested, and personal milestones, you gain a clearer picture of your growth. Most meditation apps offer built-in analytics, so you can easily visualize improvements and identify patterns, making it simpler to stick with your practice and celebrate achievements along the way.
Exploring the analytics dashboard.
Most meditation apps feature a user-friendly analytics dashboard. Look for sections like progress, statistics, or history. Here, you might find your daily streaks, tonal minutes meditated, and session history. These insights are updated automatically, allowing you to monitor habits, see trends, and recognize your most focused periods.
Setting goals and reminders.
Many meditation apps allow you to set personal goals and reminders. You can choose targets such as meditating a certain number of days in a row or for a set amount of time each week. Progress bars and notification alerts help you stay accountable, making it easier to create a sustainable routine and reach your mindful milestones.
Understanding streaks and milestones.
Streaks and milestone badges are motivational features in many apps. Each consecutive day you meditate adds to your streak, while milestone badges mark achievements like first week completed or 100 sessions. These visual rewards help reinforce your commitment and keep the process enjoyable and engaging.
Reflecting on your progress and adjusting.
Revisit your analytics regularly to reflect and adjust your practice. If you notice a dip in consistency, try shorter sessions or different meditation styles. If you're progressing smoothly, consider raising your goals. The in-app analytics serve as a personal coach, helping you adapt and grow with your meditation journey.